Oh, hey, how you doing, Bonnie? So I'm looking at your post here, and I'm seeing this first one is your bad typography, and I agree 100%. It's really bad. And it's not obnoxiously bad though, as you said. It's legible. It's just really super uncomfortable, and there's a lot of uncomfortable visual tension. And the underlying reason, when it all comes down to it, is that this page is not mathematically correct. Sure, they've started a grid system, but it won't the grid won't translate, as we can see. First of all, the column widths are not consistent. Um, the character count is entirely too short. Go ahead and remind me, if you would, what is the optimal character count for typography? Just let me know, and don't forget that includes um, spaces and punctuation. So do a little quick research. And let me know what optimal character count is, but this is way too short, as we can see. The other thing I'm having an issue with here is that this would read technically as kind of like as reading almost like it looks like one paragraph, because this little indent is just too difficult to pick up. So it's daunting to look at as soon as you open it up. You know, those little visual resting places are there for a reason, not just to assist in reading, but also to assist in how one digests the article as they look at it before they start even reading it. If it looks like it's going to be really difficult to read, there's a good chance the viewer is going to go into it with a bad attitude. That's why white space is so important. So it's impossible to have clean rags. As you mentioned, it's impossible to control orphans and widows um, uh, with type counts this narrow. So go ahead and tell me real quick what you would do to fix that layout right there. I agree over here, I think, but again, I think this is much better. And here we have a very clean 4-column grid, and it is mathematically correct in a very simple way. That's why this page is so attractive to look at. So many students don't understand that the grid equals math. 2 plus 2 equals 4. If 2 plus 2 equals 5 on a paper, it doesn't look right. The mind is going to go haywire, so to speak. And that's why in a lot of our bad examples, it's so obvious that there's a very uncomfortable visual stress. Again, character count here I think is too short. The one thing here that's really bad, I mentioned it in the other example as well, but it's just too daunting. I would definitely use a space between paragraphs here just to give a little bit of a space to breathe. You know, because right now the viewer before they start, it almost looks like you have to go read all the way through here before you get a break. Okay, makes sense? All right, yeah, shoot me answers to those questions. But this is an awesome post. Good job. Great, really good research and great job formatting your resources. Good job. Thanks very much.